Hello, friends. Today we are going to discuss about what are the mental tools you'd need to start and scale your business. So, because as you know, anything you do, you need tools. Okay, otherwise it would be very difficult for you to, get on your job. For example, you are a carpenter, then you need tools, or without the tools, you will be working in the old way of building your carpentry business. Exactly the same way, if you are an entrepreneur, you are in your MLM or network marketing business, or any business for that sake, then you'd need the tools to build your business. Okay, so there are two kinds of tools. For example, your physical tools, like you need your plan showing pad, your pen, and a planner. So those are kind of your physical tools. But more important than the physical tools are the mental tools. Okay, so let's talk about what are the mental tools you'd need for your MLM business. Okay, so now, so we'll talk about these 5 different tools you can use to build your successful MLM business. Okay, so let's discuss about it. First is the spoken words. Okay, so that means what you speak. So it is so very important that all of us should focus and keep an attention to what we are saying to ourselves and to others. Okay, so when your business is growing, are you saying that business is growing? I'm really excited. When business is not growing, then you are saying that, okay, business is not growing. Okay, well, the way, this power of spoken words, or if you have read Hung by the Tongue, there are so many books on the power of the words. Okay, now words definitely impacts your environment, your subconscious mind, and you attract things the way you want to attract. The easiest way is to speak what you want. Okay, so that is called the spoken words. So if your business is not happening, and you are saying that business is not growing, so that means you are not utilizing, so you are letting it go to the universe that things are not happening. Okay, so now it is a fact, that business is not growing now, but that doesn't mean that you attract all the negative. But because the way the law of the universe works is, whatever you think, you attract. Okay, so that is the reason why you do not want to attract the things which are negative. So that's where always make sure that you speak to everyone and to yourself what you want, not what you do not want. Okay, and that leads us to the second tool, which is the self-talk. Okay, so that means most of the time we talk to ourselves without us knowing. I don't know whether you have read this book, but it was a beautiful book to read, called What to Say When You Talk to Yourself. Okay, it's an amazing book. You can get hold of a copy of that book. But it talks about when you are internally, you are talking to ourselves. So that is kind of a all the time, even in our dreams as well, we talk. Okay, that dreams, what we see while we are sleeping, that is kind of a self-talk. What is there inside our mind, we are talking to ourselves and framing the pictures, which are called the dreams. So self-talk is extremely important when we are talking about your growth and the business. Not only the business, but anything in our life, we can program it to our advantage by doing this self-talk. Okay, now self-talk is what you want. You are not only talking about that. For example, a self-talk for your network marketing business is my business is growing like crazy. I have every day and every hour I meet sharp and ambitious people people are getting into my business. My business is growing like crazy. And when you speak about it, and you start to visualize. That got into our third point, is of visualization. Okay, not only speaking, but speaking with authority and visualizing that, okay, things are happening and the business is growing and people are joining my team, my business volume is going through the roof and I am filling colosseum after colosseum. So that's the visualization. So when you talk and you visualize, okay, the things what you are talking, you are visualizing, that gives a lot of momentum to your business, okay, or first to your mind and then to your business. Okay, so self-talk visualization, the powerful tool, guys. If you haven't utilized it, you got to utilize it in your own business and see the magic. And the fourth thing is written down goals. So that means you have to write down what you want, okay, from your business. What is your dream? What's your goal? What's your ambition? What is that you want to accomplish through the business? So written down goals is extremely needed. Okay, so not only thinking and that, okay, well, this is my dream, but writing it down and putting pictures, okay, putting the pictures of your dreams everywhere where you see them every day and every hour. And not only is looking at them, because subconsciously or unconsciously as well, we see a lot of things around. Okay, now don't take me wrong, these definitely get imprinted in our mind, but nothing like consciously when you are looking at those pictures. So then when you are looking at them consciously, then you are getting into those things, are getting into your mind and it manifests. Okay, reaching down goals. And last but not the least is drawing your organizational chart. Okay, so organizational chart is what? Organizational chart is what? How your business is now and how you want to see your business in future, both present and future. Okay, so it's extremely important that when you put the they put the pen on your pad and writing it down, or drawing the circles, okay, putting your entire business structure, what the way you want it. So then what happens is you start to plan, your mind starts to see it and start to plan it, and accordingly it starts to manifest. Okay, so that's quite important, guys. You have to draw your organizational chart on a daily basis. Okay, every day we should be looking and seeing and thinking about our business. That is the best way to think. Okay, so hope it made some sense to you. Hope you will start to implement these tools, okay, and use these tools in your own business to grow and manifest what you want. Okay, now if you want to get hold of a copy of this book, Launch to Leadership, I'm the author of this book. My name is Som Prakash. On the chapter 6, okay, this is you can get hold of this copy of this book completely free. This is a ebook. You can get the ebook completely free, not the physical one. This is also available on Amazon if you want to get hold of a copy. But the chapter 6 of this book, okay, it talks about mental momentum and how do you plan it. So this is about the mind and how you put your activities together. So chapter 6 is all dedicated about, it says, fuel for your journey. That means your mental momentum. How do you get your mind to work for you in your favor? So get hold of a copy. You can click on the link below the video and download a copy of the ebook and start to implement, guys. Okay, starting to implement. And you will also be invited on a completely free of charge masterclass on how you can grow your business. We'll discuss about the mental momentum. How do you meditate on your dreams and ambitions, and how do you plan, and how you can scale your business leveraging internet as a platform. So a lot of information you'll get from this book, but also you'll be invited to attend free masterclass of network marketing. So don't forget, get hold of a copy, download the copy, and you'll get the invitation as well. So looking forward to help you to build a successful network marketing business. That over and out.